how to score 650 or 600 plus. How to score 600 plus marks in just 45 days. Any idea? How to score 600 plus marks in just 45 days? This is a today, just we are going to discuss 10 minutes. So what are your plan? Because listen, this year and compared to last year also, 600 marks also not safe. Current scenario, current situation, because due to corona pandemic conditions, paper seems to be very easy. No doubt about it. Very easy paper. Everyone can expect that this year paper is very easy when compared to previous years. The reason is because pattern is changing. क्या new pattern में क्या है? What is the new pattern है? अच्छा new pattern containing what? New pattern में अच्छा new pattern में each subject में there are two sections. Section A, section. In each subject, like in each subject, there are two sections, section A and section B. Section A and section B. अच्छा section A 35 question compulsion है. Compulsion in the sense up to your choice. Out of 35, how many questions you know, you may answer it, but there is no compulsion. There is no choice also. At the time there is no choice also. So मतलब here मतलब section A में 35 questions हैं. There is no choice in this one. But section B में they will provide 15 questions. अच्छा, out of 50 questions, you can answer only 10. You can answer only 10. Only 10. Now, this is the biggest problem this year. This is the biggest problem this year. Why I am telling you? Why I am telling you? Why I am telling you? Because in 180 minutes, total duration is 3 hours, right? Paper duration is 3 hours. Acha, 3 hours paper duration. 3 hours paper duration. Acha, you have to answer. You have to answer 180 questions out of 200. Out of 200. But what are the suicidal factors? You must read all 200 questions only. Not 180 minutes. You have to read 200 questions only. Out of 200, you have to select 180. Time killing here. Time killing. In the sense, I'm telling you one more thing is 180 questions. Sorry, 180 questions है. Sorry, 180 minutes है. देखो, ये you have to answer 180 questions है from 200 questions are given. So you have to 180 questions. You have to answer in 180 minutes. Per question is 1 minute is a maximum. Achha, when you can answer the question in 1 minute, you are perfectly all right. Means you have perfect practice, then only you have to answer one question in 1 minute. But you do one thing, do one exercise. Any chapter you pick 20 questions and put a time slot 20 minutes. You can check it your own. Within 20 minutes, how many questions you are able to answer? Unknown questions. You took any one particular model paper, just 20 questions, any subject. Put a time slot 20 minutes. Now difficulty will come. Difficulty will come. Very difficult to answer one question in 1 minute until unless you are perfectly practiced. ये सब्जेक्ट का कोई मतलब नहीं. Everyone knows subject only. Doesn't matter only. The only presence of mind in examination hall only counts. And knowledge is okay. Knowledge is required. That is not enough. Application is required. Speed, accuracy, how to maintain it. This year, particularly 2021, newly need change pattern में आपका knowledge से ज़्यादा importance है speed and accuracy. Speed and accuracy. अच्छा, technically I'm telling you, technically, अच्छा आपको 3 hours में नहीं मिलेगा. 3 hours में नहीं मिलेगा. The reason is, some I'm telling that. अच्छा, this including all filling of the OMR also. Na? This is also including filling of the OMR also. At least minimum 5 minutes for each subject to fill the OMR sheet. For example, chemistry you have to fill OMR के लिए 5 minutes is required. Like physics also we required 5 minutes, minimum 5 minutes. What I am telling that. Bio also out of 90 question, minimum 10 minutes are required. 20 minutes. अच्छा, remove 20 minutes from 180 minutes. अच्छा, 3 hours duration में you have to remove 20 minutes है. मतलब आपके पास कितना टाइम है? Only 160 minutes है आपके पास. 160 minutes में you have to read 200 questions है. Out of 200 questions you have to answer 180 questions. It seems to be easy because they are giving choice है. But you are in dilemma position because out of 15 you have to select only 10. अच्छा, ऐसा होता है first 10 you have to answer. No. Who knows that 11th question you may know that, 12th question you may know that, 15th question you may know that. You have to read all the questions only. अच्छा, this is a difficult condition है. क्या difficult condition है? What I am telling you, this is a difficult condition. क्या ये वाला difficult condition है? 160 minutes में you have to read 200 questions, you have to answer 180 questions. That means each question less than 1 minute. Technically, you can think of it. Theoretically, okay, sir, 200 questions are दिया, sir, और 200 में out of 200 में 180 हमको मालूम होता है, so easily you can score 600%. This year is going to be very tough in NEET examination, even though paper is very easy. Because due to corona pandemic condition, last year and this year, students' preparation is not enough to score 600 plus marks, even though paper is very easy. The reason is there is no perfect practice. Actually, you are listening the lesson from YouTube, you are listening the lesson from any online classes only. But practicing, lack of practicing, you are unable to answer the question within 1 minute, one question. Actually, you can check it today also. You can go and you can check 20. You can take 20 questions. You can put 20 minutes. Very difficult to answer. अच्छा, some students are 2 minutes time लगेगा while reading the question also. 1 minute में आप question भी read करना, answer भी करना, कितना मुश्किल है? How it is difficult है? Then sir, you put heading, sir, how to score 600 plus marks in 45 days, sir? Then how is it possible, sir? How is possible? The only one possibility is perfect practice. Perfect practice, sir. But I am telling that first thing is daily timetable. Actually, you have to frame your daily timetable. So you have to frame your daily timetable. So देखो timetable कैसा बनाना? अच्छा, most important factor this 50 days is timetable. timetable, daily timetable. अच्छा, daily you have to read 4 subjects only. अच्छा, some students are habituated like that. One day completely I can read zoology, one day completely botany, one day chemistry, one day physics. That is not enough. Daily you have to put one timetable. I'm giving simple timetable for you. Whether you have to, okay, you are willing, you have to follow it. Up to you only, up to your convenience only, you have to follow the timetable. But my perception है, better my perception is. अच्छा, physics के लिए you can spare 4 hours time daily, minimum 4 hours time per day. In addition to the class work, this is not a class plus preparation. Achha, this is a 4 hours time is required for physics. Later we discuss what kind of questions you may study in physics. Later I can discuss. But the minimum 4 hours time is required. Achha, 4 hours time mein what I am telling that at least you have to practice 100 quality questions, including previous papers. Every 4 hours time mein physics mein. Achha, what you supposed to do minimum of 100 quality question you have to practice. 100 MCQ questions you have to practice. Achha, including previous papers. Including previous year questions like APMT, NEET and AIMS. 100, for example, one chapter you are preparing. Suppose work power energy. Suppose one chapter we are going to prepare physics. Achha, last 10 years में work power energy में how many questions they may ask? 1 or 2. Each year 1 or 2 maximum. मतलब 10 years में 20 questions. 20 questions, maximum 15 to 20 questions. अच्छा, APMT में maximum 20 questions होता है, 10 questions होता है, 30 questions होता है. For each chapter 30 questions are from previous questions. 70 questions are you have to prepare from any model. You take any model paper particular chapter. Why I am telling that while preparing the previous chapters, you may idea, acha, this kind of question they are asking. Then you can practice model papers. That to time bounded practice is required. Acha, aisa nahi, you can pick 100 questions. For that 100 questions, you have to spare 4 hours, 5 hours time. So what I am telling that in physics ke liye, in what I am giving the suggestion tips for physics ke liye, concept is important, particularly NEET examination. Most of the students' perception is क्या है? Physics में problem based है. अच्छा, numerical based problems होते हैं. Most of these NEET students' perception है, in his mind है, डर लगता है physics का. The reason is sir physics में numerical ज्यादा है. No. You can observe last previous 5 years papers है NEET का और APMT का papers है. Out of 45 question में 30 questions are concept based questions. Okay, next I will go for target. I can tell you what is the target in physics only, but you have to do the minimum of 100 MCQ, including previous APMT, NEET, AIMS examination. Physics के लिए. अच्छा, chemistry के लिए वो एक ही है. अच्छा, for chemistry also we have to follow the same. Chemistry also 4 hours time minimum. 4 hours time. अच्छा, same funda you can go for. Minimum of 100 MCQ for each and every subject per day. Right? अच्छा देखो, and bio के लिए भी, अच्छा I go for 6 hours time because for long term students and 12th studied this year completed students, they have good knowledge about biology because NCERT reading is enough. Achha, no need to practice other books also. NCERT line to line reading plus previous answer question, more than enough. NCERT reading, if possible you have to make a notes also. You already make the notes, then you can revise that notes. Because why you are making the notes means for NCERT, suppose for example one particular topic 2 pages are there. You are making a notes means it becomes 1 page, half page. It seems to be very easy to revise it. अच्छा इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट लाइन टू लाइन है. अच्छा here terminology very important है. अच्छा what you studied biology MCQ questions are different others हैं. They give easy language for you, but everybody can understand. But NCERT language is different है, terminology is different है. You are familiar with NCERT terminology, then only you can answer, because I said now 1 minute में one question answer. This terminology also very important, plays very important role. अच्छा मैंने बायो के लिए 6 आवर्स दे रहा है, मिनिमम 6 आवर्स दे रहा है. मींस बॉटनी 3 आवर्स है, जूलॉजी 3 आवर्स है पर डे. 6 आवर्स है, 6 आवर्स ड्यूरेशन इज अ मिनिमम आवर्स. अच्छा you have to follow the same funda, but here I am suggesting बायो के लिए NCERT. बिना NCERT so scoring subject है biology, so minimum 6 hours है, you have to follow the same. अच्छा per day what I am telling per day, now we can make the timetable per day. 100 questions है, 100 questions है, 200 questions, 200 questions. Quality questions what I am telling them, not quantity. Quantity is not important, quality only important. So go for only per day 400 MCQ quality questions including previous year. अच्छा don't leave the previous year's question papers. If out of NCERT, please leave it. अच्छा 1 or 2 question maybe previously out of NCERT they are given, leave it, don't mind 1 to 2 questions NCERT. But per day 400 MCQ quality MCQ per subject 100 है, और subject 100 is not a difficult task for you. अच्छा 50 days time, leave it 50 days, only 40 days है, remaining 10 days suppose grant papers है, only 40 days है. अच्छा 40 into count करो, 40 into like 40 into 400 है, कितना है? 16,000 MC question you are going to practice. Quality questions है, 16,000 MCQ questions you are going to practice. अच्छा out of 16,000 में हमको दे रहा है, आपको दे रहा है only 200 questions. Means you are seriously preparing. And apart from that, you also preparing for weekend examination papers. You also prepare from grand test papers. Like last 10 days, you also practicing some grand test papers also. Apart from this, so 6,000 questions are MCQ is a quality questions. You have to prepare 6,000 quality question. Out of 6,000, they will ask only 200 questions. Out of 200 questions, 150 questions are known questions. अच्छा do or die situation हो, there is no other alternate way now. So whether you know previously or not doesn't matter, but thing is perfect practice is required. 4 hours time है. अच्छा early morning 6 को you can wake up 6 हो, 6 to 8 one slot है, 8 to 10 one slot है. In between the gaps you can take a break, half an hour or 15 minutes you can take a break home. अच्छा any subject you are boring, just switch over to another subject. I'm not telling you continuously you can read one subject, but do or die situation है, you must study minimum 4 hours physics है, minimum chemistry 4 hours है, because this year paper seems to be very easy now. Those students who have presence of mind in 3 hours duration of the examination, they will succeed. Paper is easy because like we know the cricket match, everybody knows how to play the how to bat, but how many batsmen will succeed? Those who are executing the plans in the playground, who are executing their plans in the playground, they will succeed. Otherwise everyone knows cricket, we also know, you also know, everyone knows how to play the cricket, how to hit the ball, but presence of mind is required. You read the bowler mind also, then only you can success na? You will succeed na? The same thing, you can also read the examiner mind, means paper setter mind, what they are going to ask. Predictions are required only. So how will you get this prediction is perfect practice. There is no other substitution, only perfect practice. Achha, this year we are going to succeed because of only perfect practice. I am telling you, my dear students, there is no other alternate way. अच्छा do or die situation. अच्छा today 4 hours I supposed to study physics है, chemistry है, bio. Anything is happening. अच्छा, whatever मैं कर रहा हूँ, anything is happening. This is my life. This is my life. I supposed to read 14 hours per day. Don't mind. If suppose it is 11 o'clock at night or 12 o'clock at midnight, 1 o'clock, I don't mind. I will finish my work, then only I go to bed. You take a oath. Because this 45 days is a changing your life only. Okay, entire thing, suppose entire this 6 months, 7 months, what you prepared a different time. This 45 days preparation is different. Right? So this is because every students have a might a perception. Sir, 200 questions are this year they will provide us. Sir, 180 sir is a cakewalk. Sir. No. It's very difficult. When compared to previous year, also this year very difficult. Selection of the question is very important. Because some students are confusing. Which question I have to go? They are wasting their time also. That is not the right path. Suppose at the time of you are reading the question, the question is not striking for you. Leave it the question immediately. You go for next question. Rapid round. I think you see so many episodes, so many in TV channel. Rapid round kaisa hota hai? If you know, you can answer. Otherwise, waste of time only. You have no idea about, you are confusing particular topic. Just go for another. There are 5 questions are, choices are giving for you. But most of the students have difficulty only 5% time. Because of 5%, don't leave 95% questions. Very easy question. You can score 600. I said the topic today, how to score 600. I will tell you how to score 600 subject wise. How much target you have to do. Right, Chiro? I will start with bio. Because your favorite subject is bio, na? Scoring subject also. Acha, target 330 plus marks in bio. Target 330 plus marks in bio. Acha, if you are not getting 330 marks, leave it to 600 plus. Very difficult to score. अच्छा, आपका स्कोर 600 से बढ़ाना. You want to achieve the score more than 600 plus. अच्छा, every student should get minimum 330 plus marks in bio. अच्छा, it is possibility there. How it is? Why? What I am telling that? अच्छा, you read only NCERT. Test. Line by line. अच्छा, line by line, and don't go for any reference textbooks also. You read NCERT textbook line by line. Same time, at the end of the particular topic, you go for previously asked APMT question, previously asked NEET ka question, previously asked AIMS ka question. That's it. That is enough. How they are asking, you might know that very well. Instead of going for like n number of MCQ questions, the waste of your time. Or आपके पास है NCERT line based any MCQ questions, you have to follow it. So my suggestion is better you go for previously asked questions. Line NCERT line by line reading. Plus you have to practice the question from previously asked. Previously asked क्या? APMT क्वेश्चन है, नीट का क्वेश्चन है. अच्छा चलो एम्स छोड़ दो, एम्स का छोड़ दो. प्लस एनी मॉडल पेपर आपके पास है. मॉडल पेपर्स मतलब ग्रैंड टेस्ट पेपर्स. अच्छा, वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग MCQ फॉर पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. अच्छा, इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट यू कैन गो फॉर प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस. बिकॉज़ परफेक्ट प्रैक्टिस इज रिक्वायर्ड. While reading the different model papers, different previous papers, you might know that this kind of questions are asking. So once again, you go for line by line only, chapter wise only. So bio ke liye, acha, your target is out of 90 question hai. देखो, out of 90 question hai. Out of 90 questions hai. At least at least you have to answer. You have to answer minimum of 85 questions. Then 85 into 4, provided there is no negative marks. Provided there is no negative marks. अच्छा कितना हो गया? 340 हो गया ना? 340 हो गया. Provided there is no negative marks. आपको चलो 2-3 नेगेटिव मार्क्स भी चल जाएंगे ना, 330 प्लस आएंगे, मिनिमम 330 आएंगे. So target 330. How will get 330? Botany, zoology में. So don't take any negligence in biology. Even though you know the biology subject, but perfect practice is required. Every student, some students are perception, sir, I know the biology very well, then I can focus on physics and chemistry only in short-term coaching. Like in 45 days, I can focus more physics and chemistry. No, every day you have to read biology. Perfect practice is required. But this year, question paper newly changed pattern. Perfect practice only will go for success. Right? Because perfect practice, subject is doesn't matter. You know subject and your friend knows subject. Each and every students know the subject only. But execution, action plan execution only decides the you should be different from others. Otherwise, everyone having reading the NCERT book. Nowadays, because of change the NCERT pattern after NTA came, everybody knows that questions are asking from NCERT book only. Everybody is reading NCERT books only, line by line. But how you are different from others? That is you think over it. How you are different. अच्छा NCERT read करने के बाद then go for any model paper particular chapter like APMT है, NEET है, any grand test paper, previous grand test papers you have, then you have to practice it. That helps you increase your speed and accuracy. Required in speed and accuracy is required only this particular pattern of the NEET examination. चलो, now 330 plus target है for bio. Now I can go for chemistry. Then I go for chemistry. अच्छा, I go for chemistry. अच्छा, last 2 years, 3 years से chemistry भी bio तरफ है. There is no difference between bio and chemistry. Of course, compared to bio, more lengthy chapters are there in chemistry, like physical, organic, inorganic. But doesn't matter. अच्छा, target 160 पे करो. Target 160 plus करो. Target 160 plus करो. मतलब you have to answer 40 question out of 50. They will provide 50 question. Out of 50, you have to select the 40 questions. Acha, there is no difference between bio and chemistry, my dear students. I am telling you. The reason is NCERT line to line. NCERT line. Acha, chemistry में what I observed, my perception chemistry में. Acha, we checked previously last 3-4 years question है. अच्छा NCERT in test questions है. NCERT in test questions है. They're asking. NCERT exercise questions है. NCERT paragraph questions है. Between the lines. NCERT between the lines. अच्छा, confidently I am telling that you can check the each and every chapter. Previously asked any chapter you can pick any one chapter. You can check what are the question asked and open the NCERT book. Achha, those questions are from in-test questions and solved questions also. Some solved questions in NCERT test book. Numerical side. Mostly you are while studying NCERT, you are most focused on in-test questions. You are most focused on exercise questions. So line to line read in between the lines also they will ask and solved examples. Achha, there is no difference between bio and chemistry. What my perception. That's why I put 160 target for chemistry के लिए. अच्छा, we have doubt है physical chemistry है, आपके पास physical chemistry है, and आपके पास inorganic chemistry है, आपके पास organic chemistry. अच्छा, most of the medical students है, NEET aspirants have perception that sir physical chemistry में numerical ज्यादा देते हैं, नहीं. So go for concept based. अच्छा, suppose previously 15 questions है, now the suppose 17 question है. For example, let's say इसमें they will provide 17 question है, suppose 17 plus like 17. अच्छा, total 51 రావాలి కదా, దానిలో 16 రావచ్చు, దానిలో 17 రావచ్చు. Anyone they can do 17 है, अंदर 116 217 116 होना. अच्छा, on average 17 questions है for each. अच्छा, out of 17 question में most probably they may ask 5 numericals, maximum of 5 numericals. इससे ज्यादा न्यूमेरिकल नहीं पूछते हैं आपसे. अच्छा, मैक्सिमम देखो, मैक्सिमम ऑफ 5 न्यूमेरिकल्स. अच्छा, ఈ 5 లో కూడా 2 నో 3 నో ఎలా ఉంటాయి అంటే జస్ట్ ఫార్ములా సబ్స్టిట్యూటెడ్, క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ బేస్డ్. సో physical chemistry में you practice all the formulas, all the chapters हैं. Actually you may answer at least 2 out of 5 में 2-3 question you have to answer. अच्छा, paper is very easy, you have to answer 5 questions also. Rest of the 12 questions है, rest of the 11 questions है concept based only. So while you studying physical chemistry also, you are focusing on concept based questions only. Or they never highly mathematical or integrated based question they never ask in NEET examination. High-end mathematical calculation question they never ask in NEET examination. Very simple calculation, formula substitution, simple application, 1 or 2 simple application. The remaining are all formula based questions only they will ask you. अच्छा, how do you solve? अच्छा, देखो, in test question है, exercise questions है, solid questions है. You have to practice it. You are able to answer the all physical chemistry numerical questions. So remove the ambiguity from your mind. अच्छा, inorganic chemistry NCERT ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए, केवल just like bio, sometimes you have to mug up NCERT concepts only, inorganic chemistry. Again same funda, in test questions है, exercise है, in between the lines है, solid questions. There is no other way. अच्छा, these 45 days you have to, in these 45 days you have to put the same in front of you, that's it. There is no other option for you, right? चलो, अच्छा, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री भी सेम है, इन टेस्ट क्वेश्चंस है, एक्सरसाइज है, but you supposed to be very thorough particular topic on GOC. If you know GOC, rest of the organic chemistry is very easy for you. Once you repeat the GOC की मतलब एसिडिक कैरेक्टर है, बेसिक कैरेक्टर है, लाइक रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर है, SN1 mechanism, SN2 mechanism, E1 mechanism, E2 mechanism, some named reactions in organic chemistry. This is more than enough. Similar questions only they will ask. Similar questions only they will ask, right? So chemistry में target है 160 plus है, you go for target 160 plus chemistry, right? Then physics है. अच्छा, आपको सुनने में बहुत दर्द लगता है फिजिक्स का. अच्छा, फिजिक्स का मैंने बायो के लिए 330 प्लस है, वो 160 प्लस है. देखो, बायो के लिए मैंने क्या टारगेट रखा, बायो के लिए 330 प्लस है. अच्छा, केमिस्ट्री के लिए 160 है. अच्छा, फिजिक्स के लिए मिनिमम आई गो फॉर 120 है, मिनिमम 120 ओनली. अच्छा, वी कैन एडजस्ट मार्क्स इधर उधर, नो प्रॉब्लम. अच्छा, माय मिनिमम टारगेट इज 121 सपोज फिजिक्स के लिए. अच्छा, कितना हो गया, काउंट करो, 16 मार्क्स. फिजिक्स के लिए ओनली 30 क्वेश्चन आउट ऑफ 45 यू सेलेक्ट ओनली 30 क्वेश्चंस है. अच्छा, फिजिक्स ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है, अगेन द स्टूडेंट्स हैविंग परसेप्शन दैट सर फिजिक्स में they will while opening the physics textbook ना they go for numericals. This basic funda is गलत है, incorrect है. While reading the physics also you go for NCERT. NCERT concept based questions. You can also read NCERT concept based questions. Concept based questions. Achha, very few chapters they will ask right formula based questions. Very few chapters. Achha, you can ask your concerned physics teacher. Your source will tell you which chapters are very important. Means we have to score target here. Physics target is 120 plus. Matlab 30 questions you have to answer. Only 30 questions. Only 30 questions you have to focus. Achha, suppose your answer 35, 40 added advantage. Your score is 650 plus 1. There is also possibility there. But I am telling on average student ke liye what I am telling that 30 questions are enough. Achha, out of 30, 35 chapters, you can select only 15 chapters, easily you can score 30 questions. Some easy chapters are there in physics. You can focus those easy chapters first. Achha, remove your ambiguity. Sir, physics is nothing but numerical. No. Physics is, while suppose you have concept, you are enjoying the physics subject. So you can develop the concept. Now, this is not a, for 45 days time, you are not studying any new topics. What you read previously, the same chapter, you can go for it. Or any weightage chapters are there. Previously, you left a 45 day time is enough for you. Achha, that's one or two topics, you can select now, you can study it. Achha, again, same. In physics also, the same. NCERT exercise questions, like in-test questions, like line-to-line questions, previously asked questions, model papers. Like any physics or bio, any subjects, you have to follow the same funda. Achha, easily you can score 600. Doesn't matter. At the subject wise, this year we have no problem. Everybody have prediction that this year going to give very easy paper when compared to remaining all years. No doubt at all. Because of Corona pandemic condition. Problem is not only yours, every student facing the same problem. Because every student is having no practice. They are reading, they are listening the YouTube lesson, they are listening the online classes, that's it. Practice, lack of practice, they are unable to answer each and every question for 1 minute. यही problem है. Execution में problem आता है. Theoretically okay, everything okay. But execution में problem. Those who overcome these problems, मतलब practice is, the students which is having more practice, they will definitely benefit it when compared to all other students. So this is a simple 50 days or 45 days. So what is your plan? So don't miss it. Tomorrow onwards, you have to plan it, make a note, one paper you have to write. Achha, today I am going to study, so 14 hours, must and should. If possible, you have to increase your time 15 to 16 hours also. Because this 40 days only you are reading. This is your life, your ambition. Society mein, the good profession, nothing but a doctor profession. In order to enter into the best MBBS colleges, medical colleges, you supposed to do the hard work. This 45 days time. Leave it all other activities. Focus, study, practice. Study, practice. Practice only makes you perfect. Bina practice, only you are reading, you are studying. How much time you are reading? How much time you are practicing? Perfect practice is required. They don't waste your time while solving the n number of MCQ questions. Select only 100 quality questions. That to NCERT based objective questions that is helpful for you. Out of NCERT, don't touch that objective questions also. Only 100 questions may this include previous asked question also. So that you might know that very well how they will ask the question, what depth they are asking the question. Achha, you have an idea when reading next NCERT chapter only. Achha, aisa question पूछ रहा है, in between the line they are asking Excel questions answering. Then you have a confident enough to read the NCERT so that you can get maximum marks. So, achha, these 45 days, we are also planning that every day I'm giving some inorganic, organic, physical on online class also and offline class also. Every day, like suppose 1 or 2 topics in physical chemistry, 1 or 2 concepts in inorganic chemistry, 1 or 2 concepts in organic chemistry. Okay, you must follow all this one. In addition to 14 hours time, not including 14 hours time. Chalo, thank you.